Good morning. Welcome to my office. Come on in. I curate my office with my students in mind and really, frankly, anyone that comes. When my students come in to meet with me, the first thing they see is productivity, abundance, wealth, and work. This is for the students because I do this work in student development and engagement. Part of what we do in DCP for the students is help place them in service learning opportunities where they can really engage with the community and really make changes for health equity and healthcare. I was hooded by one of the best mentors in the world, Dr. Ed.D. I also have a collection of books for my students that they can check out of my own personal library. These are my three best friends, Dr. Latifa Brown and Dr. Antoinette Linton. We were all in programs together at San Diego State. My family is very important to me. These are my three adult children. Alicia is in public health, Malik is a middle school teacher, and Rashad is a photographer and graphic designer. If you look around my office, it is very warm and inviting. And I have it that way because when people come to visit with me, they can feel at home and they can find something in here that they can connect with and we can have a conversation starter about. Thank you for coming by to visit my home away from home. You're welcome. Please come by. We can have conversations about many things. I love engagement. That is the thing with me. Reciprocity is everything.